If your vehicle doesn't start, here's what to check. First, check the PROJUMP's charge. It can handle most batteries that haven't been dead for a long or extended period of time. If your vehicle's been sitting for a while, or the battery is heavily drained, it may take more than one jump attempt. For best results, we recommend using PROJUMP with at least 50% charge. To keep your PROJUMP ready for emergencies, we recommend recharging it after each use. In ideal conditions, it'll hold a charge for up to an entire year. Wait about 60 seconds, then try again. If it still doesn't start, check the guide on the back of the polarity box. If each code is ruled out, it's possible your battery is completely dead. If you or a neighbor have a load tester, you can check your battery's health on your own, or you could have a starter or alternator issue. We recommend consulting with a professional for further diagnostics. Now you're ready to take charge. If you have any questions, please visit theprojump.com or reach out to our customer care team.